And God word this. Every day, Crew 44 give you one new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. It dropped 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning. So if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Richards Goffe I read for you today. Me I go read from Matthew chapter 18 from verse 10 to verse 14. Make sure so you don't look down upon none of them little people, because me telling you this. Them have them own a angel, and for them angel way in heaven, I see my Father face all the time. What do you think? Suppose somebody own 100 sheep and one of them lost. He now go left the 99 on the mountain top and go look for the one we lost. And if he find the sheep, me I tell you this, him happy about the 99 when name tree, but him would have more happy about that one day when he find back. I see him so, on the Father way in heaven, no one day little one here, figure 3. A God word this. Thank God.